So we are today at Daggerwing Nature Center in West Boca. They have select hours and look pretty cool. They have some boardwalks and a nature center, so we're gonna go inside and check it out, and then we're gonna check out the boardwalks and see what we can find. This is a king snake. This is Fritz, the gopher tortoise. He looks like a grumpy old man. Oh, he's back in there. I don't see. Oh, she's back in there too.
Oh, he's in here.
Oh, an owl. Hello, little owl. So they do have walking trails, boardwalks, and we're about to go down them right now. But yeah, went inside. Not too big, but they do have a lot of information in there, especially for kids. So if you have some kids, this would be a great spot to take them. A little day tour, check out some things. They do live feedings of the little bit of animals that they do have. They have a schedule posted on the website. Yeah, now we're gonna go down the trails. But they do have a little tower you can go and really check out the canopy of the ecosystem around here. So that's where we're at right now. Like I said, there's some boardwalks around here to walk. I don't think there's any trails. If there's some trails, I'll let you know. But they have a boardwalk system. It's not very long, but it does take you through here, so you don't get your feet wet. It's a little muddy down there. They're not long. Each little boardwalk's only like a couple tenths of a mile. So it is actually a lot cooler in here too as well. Well, we walked to the end of that boardwalk. It got really extra green and thick. Pretty cool. But anyway, that's about it for this little spot. Quick, easy, fun little outing. So when you're in the area, come check it out. Next time.